Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another workshop in the in the 3D Printing Revolution workshop series. Today, we're going to be setting up a used 3D printer, and we will be changing the filament or inserting new filament into the Ender 3 printer. So it seems that Solomon here has an Ender 3 Pro printer. The reason I can tell between a Pro and just a regular Ender 3 is that the base is magnetic. So we have Solomon here. Um, could we have Solomon lift the base up to show people that it's magnetic? Yeah, lift it up. Yeah, so whenever you have a print, you can easily bend it off and take it out. But when you put it back on, you should be pretty careful. Try to align it the best you can. Here you see many white marks. Solomon, do you know why?
I'm assuming it's from the plastic when you peel it off.
Some of it is from plastic, from the heat of just the plastic in general, but it's actually because we use a glue stick to make the board sticky. And because sometimes when you're doing 3D prints, the prints actually move off of the uh, um, base because it doesn't stick to the base. And so those marks are from the glue stick as well as from the plastic or the heat melting the glue. So
Okay.
can you plug in the 3D printer?
Yeah. It was hard to. I was trying to line it up. It's hard to do it with one hand with the magnet. All right, let me plug it in.
Okay. There's usually a switch on the bottom left. So push the bed back into the printer. If you go on the top, if you go to the bottom left, on this, yeah, go left, right there,
Yeah.
somewhere. There should be a, um, actually, never mind. My apologies. It's actually in the fan area next to the power cord. There's a switch, an on and off switch. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
I
the
turned it.
red one. So one is on, zero is off, O is off. So when you're dealing with 3D printers, you should not have the one on when you plug it in. You should always turn it on and off using the one and zero. That's to avoid any power surges.
All right.
So now let's go to the screen. What do you see on the screen?
Let me try and get it so where it focuses.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Now, the top left shows the model, which is Ender 3 Pro. Then you see the a nozzle head. The bottom is the actual temperature of the nozzle, and the top is the um, target temperature. And the same for the bed, which is on the right side of that. Can you point to it?
This one?
Yeah, that's the bed. Um, on where it says 100%, and then shows a file icon, and then the time, and then 0%. Yeah, that's where that'll show you some statistics on how much of your print is done. Now you can see Ender 3 Pro is ready. So now we're going to start. Or actually, can you click the button?
This one?
Yes. Uh, so there's some quick tidbits here. So if you click on info screen, you basically go back to where it was. Um, on the bottom, it says no TF card. TF card is basically the micro SD card or micro TF card that you use to input your prints. So now what we're going to do is, do you have any filament nearby, Solomon?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get some filament.
Yeah, I got I'm gonna use gray. You want me
Okay.
to just, what is it? It hooks in here, right?
Yes, that's correct. Make sure the fill the endpoint is coming from the right to the left. So you put it opposite.
All right.
Yeah, there you go. Now take it out from that loop, from that hook. Does it seem sturdy enough? Like
Yep.
the hook didn't damage it?
No.
Okay. Now what we're going to do is go back to the print screen. Now go to click on the knob. If you rotate it right, then you can go up and down, or you can go down with right. Now go to prepare.
Hold on. It's easy. Yeah, all right. There we go.
Now if you click on that, now you go to go down, down, preheat PLA. Go click preheat PLA.
This one?
Yes.
All right.
So what that's going to do is preheat the nozzle end. As you can see that the top, can you go back to the screen for a second?
Yeah.
The top, it shows the target temperature 185. And so it's heating the nozzle to 185. So what it does is basically it's going to heat it up. And when we click on change filament in a second, it's going to remove whatever filament is in there currently. And then we can input our new filament. And then we're going to click extrude, which extrude means just to pop some filament out. So let's go back. Can you go back to where the filament is supposed to enter?
Yeah. Is it down here?
In the back, right there.
Back here?
Yeah. So when you squeeze that, um, when you squeeze that portion, you have to squeeze it and put the filament inside there. You have to keep pushing the filament in until it stops, until you cannot. Does that make sense?
Where am I putting it in at?
At the opposite end of the white tube. So
In here?
yeah, right there. And sometimes you have to like fill around with it and maybe cut the end point into a sharp kind of, or just
It's pretty sharp right now.
yeah, something like that. So no, don't do it now because it has to go.
Yeah. Squeeze it.
Yeah, I think you might want to put it down, put the phone down, and use your computer camera.
Got it.
Is it done? Is it extruded? Or sorry, is it heated up?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's heated up. Now, if you press the knob again, go to prepare, go all the way down. Or just keep going down. Now click on change filament. Now, in this case, it would unload the filament. It would extrude where you were trying to put the filament in. It's going to take the filament out. Now, okay, now insert the filament. Go back. Okay.
See,
I don't
I
know.
switched to my laptop to show this one.
While you're pushing the filament inside,
Is that a good view there? It's got the green screen in the background.
that's good. Oh yeah, remove the background.
There we go.
Okay. Now, while you're pushing the filament inside, you have to hold the. You have to squeeze it constantly until it's all the way inside.
All right.
You have to fiddle around with it some.
Let's see. I'm attempting to do it. It's a little hard from the angle on that to see.
Yeah, it takes quite a bit of effort. It took me 30 minutes to do one. Did you get in?
Is it supposed to go inside to the white nozzle?
All the way to the nozzle, not the white tube, but all the way through the white tube to the nozzle. So keep pushing it in. No, all the way. Yeah.
It's wanting to bend on me.
Can you take it out? Wait, take it out.
Yeah,
Cut the end point. Do you have a scissor?
Yep.
Cut the end point. Cut like a decent piece. At least until the point at which it was tied to the side, so you don't have any breakage. Go further up.
All right.
Go where your thumb is now. Yeah. Now try to cut it in a pointy shape.
How do you do that? Cut it in a pointed shape.
Yeah, like that. Kind of like that.
I think that's pointed.
Okay.
Pretty finicky to mess with.
Very. Is it still heated up?
Yeah. What's that?
On the screen, does it still say insert filament?
It says press button to heat nozzle.
Oh, yeah. Heat the nozzle.
So you want me to unpause it?
Oh, actually, no. Just try to put the thing inside.
I don't know.
Just play around with it.
It's right.
Okay, yeah, you see that? Okay.
You see that?
Yeah, try to bend or try to twist the filament so that instead of it bending one way, it'll bend the other way.
All right. Dang. Yeah, honestly, I can't really figure out whether I have it in or not. Is my
No, it's not in. You have to go all the way inside the tube. So through the entire tube until it touches the nozzle.
let's see. Need
With your left hand, twist the filament, or if that's what you were doing.
all right. Let me try from this side again.
Wait, can I see the end?
I don't know if that shows up good or not.
No, that's good.
It just keeps wanting to like spin around the gears instead of going straight.
Then you should twist the um, filament as you put it in.
Let me try it like
You can cut it also.
okay, there we go. I think that I got it.
Okay, keep on pushing it inside. Okay, there we go, people. Hooray for Solomon. Yeah, keep going.
All right. We got stuck.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
All right.
Now go to the screen. What does it say? Okay, press button to heat nozzle. Press it. Okay, now you can see on the bottom that it's raising the temperature. It's raising it pretty fast.
Pretty surprising.
Yeah. Awesome. Almost there. Usually when you're 3D printing, the default setting is for the nozzle to go all the way up to 200 and the bed to 60 instead of 185 and 45. So this is pretty much not that much.
All right.
So you should be very careful about what you touch. Okay, press button to continue. Now go to the nozzle. Go all the way down so you can see what's coming out of the nozzle. Oh, can you raise this up?
Yeah.
No, you have to press the actual nozzle head. Can you try that?
This thing?
Yeah. Can you try pulling that up? Okay, never mind. Never mind. I guess.
It was lowering before. I just
Can you go back down? Okay. So it's extruding the filament. I think you can kind of see it on the camera. Can you try using something to scrape it off? Like a thin something?
scrape what off?
The filament that's being extruded? Okay, can we go back to the screen? Is it done extruding? Okay. Um, you can extrude some more if you want, or you can
Let me try to pull up on it, like Jesus was saying, because I was able to push down on it. I was just
I think there's a setting called disable steppers, but
because when I was trying to put the filament in, it started moving on me.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it's because it started. I don't think that it's moving anymore.
Okay,
But
that's
I
fine. Um, go
extrude.
resume print. That's fine. Well, okay, congratulations. You set up your printer. Now, if you click on this again, click on prepare. Go prepare. Now go all the way to disable steppers. Okay, now you can move it. No, not that. The nozzle. Can you move it side to side?
Yep.
Okay. I think you can move the bed too.
Hold on. I'm gonna set it like this real quick and try and get this to lift up some. I did it. I'm surprised it's not letting me do it. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Oh yeah, I just tried on my printer. Yep. Okay, never mind. We're good. Now go back to it.
Back to this.
Yeah. Now go to prepare and we'll extrude some more. Go down. Down. Okay, preheat PLA. Okay, now go prepare. Go down.
I think that's
Okay.
as
Usually there's an option to extrude some more. Okay, well that's fine. That's fine. Um, you got the print. Now, can you insert the TF card? Do you have a TF card?
Yeah. This one came with USB attached to it. You
Okay.
got
Now take
that.
it out. It should be placed upside down, if I recall correctly. Yeah, into the slot. It should click. It should click in there.
There you go.
Okay. Now let's go. Let's do a print. Go to down. Click on that. Init TF card. Okay. Now print from TF. What else? Batman. Go down. Down. Go to model. Um, if it doesn't work, we can just do the Batman cutter. Go at model. Yeah. Okay. Go up.
Back to me.
Yeah. Now, click on print from TF and click on the Batman cutter. Oh, that one. No, down. You have to go back the folder CD dot dot. Yeah. Now, go down to Batman cutter. See the bed seating 60.
Yeah.
Um, the okay, now it's going to print.
Cool.
So congratulations, Selman. You set up your very first used 3D printer. So our map is start
Bad.
doing it. Okay. Does anyone have any questions about what we did? All right, no questions. Well, thank you everyone for coming to this workshop, and I hope that everyone enjoyed Solomon and his long time of trying to put the filament in. Come see us next time for our next 3D printing revolution workshop. Thank you and have a nice day.